What's up, everybody? Alright, let's show everybody. I know everybody's been looking for it, and of course I don't do a video on it.
See, this is what you got, the W's right here.
Boom shakalaka.
So I'm gonna start,
You wanna show them on yours?
yeah, yes.
I got that one. I got 4 rolls because it was Saturday and the vault was closed. So she gave me 4 rolls, and we were even talking about the W. And all of them were Denver. Boom, and we got 1 W. So I go back to that same bank. They're kind of stingy to me too sometimes, but they actually gave me $150, and we still have $90 left in these rolls. And I've already found 3 more W's. That's a total of 4. Wow. I can't believe it. So we got $90 left, and we are going to... Oh! That scared me. A little tray fell. So we got $90 left, and we're gonna keep...
What do I put this like? Do I put it like a pile?
Yeah, I'll double check it. We're gonna keep... Oh, sorry, wrong pile. We are gonna keep looking for the old W. I've already found 3 in this same set, so there's no enders. Most of them are the tail side. I forget the name on this one.
There's a 19 right here.
The American Memorial Park. So this is the second one released. I'm not 100% sure, but if I heard it right, that they're doing W mint coins for all 5 that are going to be released this year. Does anybody know if that's true or not?
Comment down below if you know,
and spanking you.
if you guys have W's. Because then, when we reach 100 subscribers, you guys might win.
These are nice. We're about to do some giveaways.
Yeah, we want to do some giveaways because we haven't done them in a long time. So, I never done my first giveaway yet, and I need to do it.
Oh my gosh! See, I told you. Boom.
W.
Oh man, I wish I could have got this whole box, you guys. This is $4 and $150 in rolls. So that's what?
5 W's.
There's $10 in a roll, so that's 10. That's 15 rolls I got.
And you found a W?
I just found another W.
Wow, my dad just found another W.
Boom. There's gotta be more, dude. There's gotta be more.
I'm still looking at it.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to wake up at the butt crack of dawn and be waiting on the doorstep for this bank. Can I have the rest of that box, please?
Yeah,
We've done a ton of quarters. We were on the low ones for a minute, but I haven't had any luck. I just got these ones.
Guys, my dad said he just loves this sound right here. He said he just loves this sound.
That sound?
Yeah, you love that sound.
I love it. Sorry, the lighting's kind of dull.
I want to find a W. Still haven't found a W, guys.
That's why I stopped. I was like, alright, we gotta do a video on the rest. I was just driving home actually from my nephew's birthday party when I got these. So I had already found this one the day before, and then I found 3 more on my way home, so I stopped and saved these rolls. Let me double check his just to make sure.
I'm just looking at the date.
I'll get her mixed up. Yeah, so far so good. Alright guys, I will buzz you back in so it's not a crazy long video if we find any more. So far we're at 5.
Yeah, guys, same with me.
What'd you get, dude?
A W.
Where's it at? Little trickster man. Da-da-da-da. Guys, we are like, we need to call the fire department here because we are on fire. That's 5 out of this batch.
No. 6. Found 6 of them.
6 altogether. This was from a different bank. I'm just double checking his rolls, make sure we don't pass anything up. He's got one more roll. We'll fill you guys in. Alright, guys. He's done it again.
Found another W.
Little trickster man has done it again.
Found another one.
Guys, $150. And we found 6 West Point ones out of $150 in rolls.
I'm gonna go tell too.
She fell asleep, bud. And then this was from one of my local banks. So we have 7 West Point coins. Oh.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Alright, bud.
And 2 of them are mine. Gotta find my box that says Landon Coins box. Not that lady box.
I just seen it. Alright, guys.
The lady box right here, Bunny. Find mine.
There's a little better close-up of them.
I just ended my little video.
In the middle, some of them they're kind of scuffed up. I mean, almost all those cores were pretty roughed up. I wonder if they just blended them in the hopper for an hour. Isn't that crazy, guys? Alright. Happy late Father's Day to all you fathers out there. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. Life's been kind of overwhelming lately, and we just went on vacation, so we're back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and go check out Little Trickster Man's channel. He's on his way to 100 subs, and he's gonna do a giveaway. And we were just thinking about maybe if he hits them, we'll do a West Point coin in there.
Or maybe if I pass 50, like I'm in my 60s, like 60, like 62, I might do a free giveaway.
Boom. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.